Today I want to show you another exciting operator called the Red Hat OpenShift Data Science Operator. This is exciting because it allows students at Boston University that I work with to enter a cloud environment and use a terminal that's already set up with the applications that they need to run their simulations. We simulate traffic on roads in places in the world. And we've built a container that's all set up to be deployed on Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. It has all the tools they need. The open source application Sumo simulates traffic. It also has Python so that it's ready to run their simulations that they've developed from source code. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'll make sure OpenShift Local is running, like we've shown in previous videos. Here's the URL to the console. So I put that in my browser, and here it is. We can go to Operator Hub and see this. The Red Hat OpenShift Data Science Operator is a machine learning as a service platform. Now, I already have the code ready to deploy this. All I need to do is grab the latest token for kubeadmin, and paste that in the terminal. Now we're good to go. Next, I'll go to the home/.local src Smarta Byar Smart Village project. And here we can OC apply-k OpenShift customize bundles RHODS base. Now what is this going to install? It's going to install a namespace for RHODS and an operator group and a subscription to the operator, and then an Argo CD application that will deploy everything else. Now, let me go to the Argo CD route, networking routes, Argo CD, and pull this up so that you can see what's going on. Here it creates RHODS. It says it's synced. Let's go check out the installed operators. Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. Right now it's installing, so we need to wait for this to complete. Meanwhile, let me show you an idea of how we're going to use this. I set up a different repository here in computate-org/smartabyar-data-science-notebook. So we will reuse the ThoughtStation S2I generic data science notebook. And on top of that, we are going to compile all the things required to run Sumo traffic simulations. And this is the code to do that. And these are the dependencies that get installed here. It looks like it's done. Now, it's easy to get to Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. You click on these apps, this app icon with that looks like a Rubik's Cube. And then you choose Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. So, we're in. And we can set up new data science projects. I'm going to delete this for now and show you how to do this in a future video. So that's it for today. It's easy to install the Red Hat OpenShift Data Science and start working on projects in the cloud so that everybody can log in and work on their own projects, on their own branches. I'll show you more in future videos. For now, thanks for watching.